If you want to download RStudio on Windows 10 or 11, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, go ahead to the official website of RStudio, right? And basically scroll a little bit down right here, scroll a little bit down. And before you do anything, RStudio requires R3.6.0 plus. Choose a version of R that matches your computer's operating system. I'm gonna just go ahead and install the R before I download the RStudio. So I'm gonna just go ahead and select the second option right here, or if you're using Windows, just select the third option depending on your operating system. So I'm gonna just go ahead to the RStudio, and basically right here you're gonna see the R 4.4.2, and I'm gonna just go ahead and download that package, right? And after you download it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna follow the prompts to download it on your device. Next, go ahead to the RStudio and then download and install the RStudio for your desktop. And then again, you gotta follow the prompts like in Windows to hit next, and choose the place that you want to save the RStudio information, and basically you're gonna be able to run it smoothly. Okay, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.